Here's one area we often forget to clean when we are dusting, and it's the light bulbs. These babies attract so much dust and grime. Do you ever turn your lights on and the sun is shining in? You can see all the dust particles flying around. Yep, your light bulbs may be the culprit, but I have a solution for you, and it's gonna make your house smell absolutely amazing. Look at the camera is picking up this real nicely. Look at this light bulb. Do you see the dust around the edges there? It looks like fur. Yeah, if you have furry light bulbs, have no fear, my friend. So do I, so let's take care of that. Ooh, this one's looking real nasty. If you have a ton of light bulbs in your house, this may take a while. So just start with maybe your primary bedroom or your living room. It's gonna be fun. Now, if your light bulbs are dusty like mine, go ahead and use a microfiber towel or whatever you like to use to dust to wipe those light bulbs off first. What we're gonna use, you will not want to put on microfiber, trust me. This is also from the Dollar Tree, comes in travel size, which is amazing. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your light bulb and you are going to saturate it in this. You can even take a paper towel. I'm actually gonna take this towel right here to cover it in its entirety, and then you're going to let it dry. If we look closely here on the light bulb, don't worry, that was just some blackberries I said in here a minute ago. I have the perfect whitening routine. I'm gonna link in the description box below in case you're interested in, but it's nice and saturated now. Oh, you can see right there. See the moisture on the light bulb? Yes, now we're gonna let this dry completely. This is so much fun, just giving them a little bath. Your friends and family are gonna be so impressed because your house is going to smell amazing. This is especially awesome if you want your house to smell delicious, but you do not want to light a candle. Yes, this is a little bit more inconspicuous way to make your home smell wonderful. These are all nice and dried. In fact, I like to do this at night before I go to bed because cleaning while you sleep. Then go ahead and screw your light bulbs in, and the heat from the light bulb will make it smell even more amazing and pungent. Your friends and your family will be sitting around in your living room looking for your plug-in or your candle, and they're gonna be scratching their heads wondering why your house smells like fresh laundry. So not only does your house smell amazing, but this fabric softener repels the dust. Ba-bam! Woo! Let's get this one going right here. This will be your secret and my secret, unless of course you share it with them. But today I just went in with some Downy fabric softener. I absolutely love this. It smells so delicious, but if you prefer something else like fresh baked goodness, you can do the same exact process with pure vanilla extract. All right, click the video on screen now for additional cleaning and life hacks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.